Okay, good morning everyone. So in the last tutorial, we have already finished the model like this. So for today, we are going to do the unwrap UV and texture pan for this model. In order to do that, we have to open up three different windows. The first one for sure is about 3D window. The second one is shade editor. And the third one is about UV editor. And you can split your window just through this your mouse icon and make this one become a cross section, and then you can split your window. If you don't want more window, just drag and you will merge your window again. Alright, so let's get started. First things, let's create a new map and call this one Street Light. And we can call this one 2K size. Usually I will use in 2K size. I think it's quite enough. And for the rest of the part, you can just stay in the default. So now we have this UV map. And don't forget to save your UV map because Blender will not automatically save your UV map. And next part, let's create a new material. And let's call this one Street Light. And also, we need to assign this UV map to this folder, to this shader. Shift A, image editor, image textures, open up, Street Light, connect to base color. So now your stuff has been controlled by this UV map. And for all these things as well, let's select all of them, Control L, and you can link the object material. Alright, so now let's do the unwrap UV, and don't forget to save your file, sometimes it will fail. So let's select all of them, let's press tab key, go to the edit mode. We can directly unwrap all of them in one time, so it will be easier, but it's not a very good way to do unwrap UV. First things, I would suggest all of you, make sure you have already applied all the modifier, so let's choosing apply. For this one as well, choosing apply. And make sure there is no more modifier. Okay, and for these two, I think we can try to join them together. So let's using Control plus join them together using bool tools, and don't forget to choose apply again, and we can delete the boolean cube. And for the rest part, I think we can join them together. Control plus join them together and apply. For this one, yeah, as well, let's try to join them together, because this one is a join, this one is a join as well. So let's just Control J and Control plus join them together and apply. Alright, and delete the oldest cube. Before we start to do that, make sure that all the face orientation is correct. Okay, it looks fine. And also, if you are worried about your model, there's something wrong here, we can choose all of them. Go to Mesh, merge by distance. So it will merge the multiple face on your model, so you can avoid some error happen. Okay, I think now it's pretty clear. So don't forget to save your file. Select all of them, press tab key, and let's just press U and Smart UV Projected. It will automatically unwrap your UV, but the shape will be very messy. And also, it's not very efficient. I think this part we can be bigger. So let's select all of them. Make sure you didn't select the wrong part. Just hold on Control to deselect the object. It's the same operation just like what we did inside Blender modeling. So let's scale up more. Press G for moving. Press S for scale up. Okay. Alright, so now we have already finished the unwrap UV, and if you want, you can click here to make things stay right here, and also you can save your image. I think this one actually doesn't matter because right now the Blender already recorded the UV map for you, and also we are not going to do the texture pan inside Blender. So this one is just the UV information of this model. So actually we don't need this one, but let's still save this one just in case. Okay, let's press tab key, jump out this one, press tab key, and you can see, okay, now we have this UV map. So now let's start to select this model and export them to 3D code. Let's choosing export and choosing wave from object, which means OBJ file. And don't forget, now the things we are doing is only selected only. We are going only explore the one we selected, not all of them. So let's explore the streetlight OBJ model and choosing export. And for the geometry, no, I think for all the rest part we don't have to choose, just choosing UV coordinate and normal, it will be fine. Alright, so I think it's pretty much done. So let's go to 3D Code and start to do the texture pen. Don't forget to save your file. Alright, so now we are inside 3D Code. Before that,